Alright, here's how to play Age of Empires Mobile on PC fast and easy. Start by searching for Bluestacks in your browser and heading to the official site bluestacks.com. Bluestacks is an Android emulator that lets you play mobile games on Windows, complete with keyboard, mouse, and even controller support. Now, you could use the search bar to look up an optimized installer, but I've already tested that route, and it doesn't launch the game properly. Instead, stick with the default version by clicking the download button right on the homepage. Once the installer finishes downloading, go ahead and run it. At this point, you can pick a different install location if you want, or just click Install Now to proceed with the default settings. Make sure to agree to the terms to continue with the installation. The setup will take care of downloading and installing everything else automatically, so just let it do its thing. When that's finished, give it a moment to complete the final setup steps. After it's ready, in the BlueStacks app player, look for System Apps folder. For easier access later on, simply drag the Google Store icon onto your desktop. Now, launch Google Store from there. You'll need to sign in with your Google account before continuing. Once signed in, search for Age of Empires Mobile in the Play Store. Go ahead and install it by clicking the install button. When everything's downloaded and ready, just hit the play button. And that's it. Age of Empires Mobile is now running on your PC with full mouse and keyboard controls. If this guide helped you out, drop a like and consider subscribing for more PC game tutorials. Catch you in the next one.